We often hear about the importance of vitamins. Vitamin C for our immune system, vitamin D for our bones. But what if I told you there's another group of nutrients working tirelessly inside you, often overlooked, yet arguably even more fundamental to your existence? I'm talking about metals and minerals. These are the unsung heroes of our biology. You might think of iron as something used to build bridges, or copper for wiring. But these very same elements are crucial components of your body's intricate machinery. Without them, your heart wouldn't beat, your nerves wouldn't fire, your blood wouldn't carry life-giving oxygen. They are, quite literally, the bedrock of our health. Think of your body as a highly complex and sophisticated construction project. Vitamins are like the specialized tools, the screwdrivers and wrenches that help with specific tasks. But the metals and minerals, they are the raw materials. They are the steel girders, the concrete foundations, and the electrical wiring that form the very structure of the building. They provide the framework upon which everything else is built. For instance, calcium provides the rigidity for your skeleton, which houses and protects your vital organs. It's astonishing to think that the same material that forms limestone caves is also what allows you to stand up straight and walk around. The truth is, your body is a walking, talking treasure trove of elements you'd more likely find in the Earth's crust than in a medicine cabinet. We carry around tiny yet essential amounts of zinc, copper, selenium, and even manganese. These aren't just passive passengers. They are active participants in thousands of biological processes every single second. They help enzymes do their jobs, they carry electrical signals through our nervous system, they help turn the food we eat into the energy we need to live. Forgetting about them is like trying to run a car without oil or spark plugs. It simply won't work for long. So while we rightly pay attention to our vitamin intake, it's time we gave these elemental powerhouses the credit they deserve. These are not just trace substances, they are the core architects and engineers of our health. They maintain the delicate balance that keeps us functioning, from the rhythm of our heart to the clarity of our thoughts. In the grand story of human health, vitamins might get all the headlines, but it's the humble metals and minerals doing much of the foundational work behind the scenes, ensuring the entire show can go on without a hitch. So, what exactly are these metals and minerals? How do they perform their magic inside us? In simple terms, minerals are inorganic elements. Our bodies need them to develop and function normally. They originate from the earth. Plants absorb them. We get them when we eat those plants, or the animals that ate those plants. Unlike vitamins, which can be broken down by heat or acid, minerals hold their chemical structure. When you cook your spinach, the iron inside it stays iron. It's a robust, reliable nutrient, essential for building strong bones and teeth. Think of minerals as having two main jobs: builders, regulators. As builders, they provide physical structure for our bodies: calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. These are primary components of our skeleton. Your bones are a living mineral matrix. Their role doesn't stop there, they also act as the body's spark plugs. They kickstart countless biochemical reactions that keep us alive and kicking. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, chloride, they carry an electric charge when dissolved in water. Your nervous system runs on those electrical signals. Every time you think a thought, move a muscle, or feel a sensation, charged minerals create tiny electrical currents between cells. It's like a biological internet. These minerals are the data carriers. Without the right balance, communication grinds to a halt. Muscle cramps, fatigue, confusion, they also help enzymes. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions, but many need a mineral cofactor to work. Zinc helps over 300 enzymes. It's involved in wound healing, your sense of taste, your sense of smell. When you savor a delicious meal, thank zinc for helping your taste buds talk to your brain. These minerals are the keys that unlock your body's chemistry. Now let's dive into some of the more astonishing and lesser-known roles that these metals play. Most of us know iron is for blood, but did you know it's what gives blood its color? The iron at the center of the hemoglobin molecule is what binds to oxygen, and it's this iron-oxygen interaction that reflects red light, making your blood appear red. But what about other metals? Copper, for instance, is another critical component of blood health. It helps your body absorb and use iron properly. Without enough copper, you could be eating plenty of iron-rich foods but still suffer from anemia because your body can't access it effectively. Let's talk about sleep. If you struggle to drift off at night, you might be lacking a key mineral, magnesium. This powerful mineral is involved in over 600 cellular reactions and plays a vital role in calming your nervous system. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that promote relaxation and reduces the activity of more stimulating ones. Magnesium also helps regulate the hormone melatonin, which guides your sleep-wake cycles. Think of it as your body's natural relaxation switch. A surprising number of us are deficient in magnesium, which could be contributing to poor sleep, anxiety and muscle tension without us even realizing it. And what about your immune system? While we often reach for vitamin C when we feel a cold coming on, zinc is one of the most powerful immune-supporting minerals. It's crucial for the normal development and function of cells that mediate your immune response. Studies have shown that taking zinc lozenges can significantly shorten the duration of the common cold, as it appears to inhibit the replication of the virus in your nasal passages. It's a bit like calling in the special forces to help your body fight off invaders more effectively. Zinc is truly a gatekeeper of our immune function. Finally, consider selenium, a trace mineral with a mighty role as an antioxidant. Our bodies are constantly producing unstable molecules called free radicals as a byproduct of metabolism. These can damage cells, leading to aging and disease. Selenium works as part of an enzyme that neutralizes these harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. It's like an internal bodyguard, constantly patrolling your body and diffusing microscopic threats. From protecting your DNA to supporting thyroid function, selenium's role is far more significant than its trace status would suggest. So, how can we ensure we're getting enough of these vital metals and minerals to keep our internal machinery running smoothly? The wonderful news is that you don't need complicated supplements or fancy formulas. The best sources are found in whole, unprocessed foods. The key is to eat a varied and colorful diet. Different colors in fruits and vegetables often signify the presence of different nutrients, including a wide array of minerals. Think of your plate as a painter's palette. The more colors you include, the broader the spectrum of nutrients you'll consume. To get specific, let's look at some simple food swaps. For a magnesium boost, try dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts like almonds, cashews, seeds like pumpkin, chia, a handful of almonds as a snack, or adding spinach to your morning smoothie. To ensure you have enough zinc for your immune system and sense of taste, look to lean red meat. Shellfish, oysters are packed with it. Chickpeas, lentils, pumpkin seeds. For the crucial blood-building duo of iron and copper, you can find them working together in many foods. Organ meats like liver are incredibly rich in both. More palatable options include dark chocolate, in moderation. Shellfish, nuts, seeds for copper. For iron, lean red meat is an excellent source of the easily absorbed heme iron. If you're vegetarian, pair non-heme iron sources like lentils, beans, spinach, with a source of vitamin C, like a squeeze of lemon juice, to dramatically increase its absorption. Ultimately, the best strategy is simply to focus on eating real food. The more your diet consists of foods that come from the ground, the sea, or from animals that ate from the ground, the more likely you are to be consuming a rich and complex matrix of all the minerals your body needs. They work in synergy, and whole foods provide them in the balanced ratios our bodies have evolved to expect. By prioritizing a diverse diet, you are giving your body the fundamental building blocks it needs to thrive, ensuring these secret heroes can continue their vital work of keeping you healthy, energized, and strong.